In this video, we're going to go through how to organize your class list by groups. In order to complete this process, you will need to have groups already set up in your course. Once that's done, simply go into the relevant course and then click on Course Tools from the nav bar, and then select Class List from the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu next to the View By option, select Groups, and then click Apply. From here, you can further customize the organization. You can do this by selecting the group category or a specific group from the menu. For example, right now I'm looking at group 1, but if I wanted to look at group 2, I can simply click group 2 and then click apply again. And as you look below, you can see that I have the other 5 students that are in this course. For more Brightspace resources, please visit the Studio website at studio.smu.ca or swing by the Software and Application Support Center at Atrium 107.